We just arrived in Jakarta.
Printed our tickets, but we only got one. We got a receipt, so you need to print it here at the station. Yeah, you need to be very early because otherwise the tickets will be sold out. So if you don't want to go at 7 o'clock, you gotta be, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 days in advance, maybe earlier. And we got the 7 o'clock one, so we can go tomorrow. You can only do it here at Gambor station. There are some signs that say ticket box. You need to buy it there because you can't buy it inside at the counter. We tried, but you can only buy a ticket at the ticket box, and then I suggest you print it immediately, otherwise you have a problem the next day.
So we just made it here on this train. We had a traffic jam this morning, and our taxi driver was a very nice taxi driver, and he drove like everybody should drive. But here on Jakarta, you really need to drive like crazy. We almost didn't catch our train, and yeah, I was so scared. We had 2 minutes left, but you have those check-ins here and security check-ins, just like when you board on an airplane. So we started running to the first check-in, and these security guys, they said something to us and they stopped us. So I thought, oh, maybe you can run here, you're not allowed. But they helped us. They asked our tickets, and they showed us the way, and we immediately went to security. We didn't know where to board in the train, but it doesn't matter because it's one big long train, so they just said get in, get in, get in. And we made it. It was 5 minutes before 7. Train left at 7 o'clock, so in 5 minutes we just said to the taxi driver, just stop us here. I never had such a slow cab driver, and today of all days. But we made it. The first trains you can sleep really good in with these pillows. So I do remember the Thailand train, maybe you've seen the vlog, and it was like a wooden bench. So that was our last train, and now this one, it's a lot better. I did some work as well, and it's fine to do so here. So a bit small tables to work on, but they work fine. And when you have outlets here, they have a lot of drinks and foods here, and I think that is it really. This is the executive train, so it's a very good one. And when we're gonna earn a little bit more money, we're gonna do there is a premium first class, almost like a first class flight. It looks, wow, it looks amazing, but it's way over our budget. So yeah, if you subscribe and like, maybe in a few weeks or months or so we can do that one as well. Let's enjoy this train ride.